back to my channel. I am really excited for today's video. I mentioned in one of my past videos that I will be buying a Kinbor for the very first time, like ever. I've heard about the Kinbor, but I never got it because I don't know, I didn't think it would be really good. But I figured this year, since I have spent and wasted so much money in so many planners, I figured that just getting one that wasn't expensive would be the way to go for next year. Just for a little bit of like context before I show you the planner, it was $2.68, y'all. It was the last one, so I'm so happy. Okay, so I love that it comes, and I did open it up. I just haven't flipped through the planner. It comes with this big, like, I guess it's like a info page, tells you how to use the planner. I believe it is sized like the Hobonichi, and we have a 2026 calendar on the other side. Super cute. It's so big. I'm actually filming my phone, and let me get my Hobonichi because I do have an old Hobonichi to kind of compare it with the planner. So here's my old Hobonichi, and this is the Kinbor. Okay, so out here it says live, oh my gosh, I can't even see. Live well and love yourself. Live well and love yourself. I really need to use my glasses, y'all. I forgot the name of this one. I'm gonna look it up and I'll let you know. But it's a beautiful pink color, and it has a little bit of like this like material on the outside. And of course, you know, I got it because it's pink. Look at the inside. It's stunning. I love this shade of pink. And look how it says in silver, live well and love yourself. Love that. Really pretty. So in here we have like a regular 2026 like little paper. We have the 2025 2026 at a glance, and this paper is a little thicker, but not significantly to the point where I don't like it. It is a little thicker. I forgot how many GSM they said, but I'm gonna look it up and I'm gonna put it here on the screen. So we have here, let me show you the Hobonichi. This is a 2024. Well, it has a lot of like things because I decorated the planner, but this is Tomoe River paper. It does feel thinner, and this one's a little thicker, but honestly it's not that thick, to be honest with you. And here is how this section looks. For some reason I think it has more space than the Hobonichi. Yeah, it is very different. So we have here the Hobonichi, and here is the Kinbor. So we have all the months here, and then it begins in January. So here we have like the weekend is shaded, and then it starts on a Monday. And then we have all the months. I really love that the pages are round, the corners are rounded, which the Hobonichi pages are also rounded, but just not as much. And the paper, it's white, because the Hobonichi paper, it's a little like, it's yellow. It's like a light yellow. I didn't think I would like this planner because I love like the cracking noise from the Hobonichi, but for what I wanted, I think it's gonna be great. Okay, and then after the months, we have this page right here. I don't know what this is. I guess it could be used as a tracker. I don't know, y'all. I'm new at this. I like it though. I like having this page. And then we have the weekly spread. The weekly on 2 pages, kind of like the Hobonichi. We don't have the quote that the Hobonichi will have down here. And I do want to show you, this is quite funny. I saw a lot of people, it has like drink water, eat healthy, run, and then toilet paper. I don't know why it has a toilet paper there, but I'm pretty sure I'll most likely cover it up. And I love, one thing I really loved are these like little bookmarks. I usually cut them off. I really am not into bookmarks. I don't like them most of the time, but I think the 2 color bookmarks are stunning. And a lot of the planners that they had like little pom-poms and like all these cute things. I love it. It's pretty self-explanatory. I'm just gonna show you in the back. It does have a couple of pages here. for you to jot down some notes. So here's the back. Here's how it looks like. We have a good 50 pages in the back, and they're, you know, yeah, we have 50 pages in the back. And we have this thing here, like a schedule, Monday through Sunday. We have a time, receive, name, you know, like a gift list. I'm sorry if I was just cutting that off. Schedule. You could really use it for whatever you want, really. 21-day plan. That's nice. You know how they say it takes 21 days to build a habit. So if you want to begin a new habit, this will be a nice way to go. Favorites. I love this. Again, you could use that, like I told you for the other planner that I showed you guys. You can use this section to put your favorite books for the year, of your favorite movies of the year. And I really, really like this. And then we have a few things back here that I don't understand. We have the China map and some information back here. We have the little Kinbor seal, which I really like, and we have a cute pocket. I like this. We have a little pocket. I love this. Honestly, you know, I really love the Hobonichi paper because, again, you get that little sound, and this one is a little thicker. But I think for $2.68, it's great quality, and I'm gonna use it. I'm really excited to use it. Minor differences. I know that people have said that the paper for 2026 is a little different, but honestly, since I've never seen it before, I cannot tell you. I love it. I think it's good quality, and at the end of the day, it comes down to your pocket. If you want to spend the money in the Hobonichi, go ahead and do it. If you think that it's better to save your coin, then go for the Kinbor. But I think they're both great. Anyways, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching this video and sticking around till the end. I hope you found some ideas on what you're gonna do for your planners for 2026. Thank you all for watching this video, and I will see you all really, really soon. Bye.